Method of finding complementary functions if the complex roots are repeated, such as alpha plus or minus I beta, comma, alpha plus or minus I beta. The complementary function will be yc is equal to e to the power alpha x into c1 plus c2x into cos beta x plus c3 plus c4x into sin beta x. Let us take an example. M is equal to 4 plus or minus 3i, comma 4 plus or minus 3i. The complementary function will be yc is equal to e to the power 4x into c1 plus c2x into cos 3x plus c3 plus c4x into sin 3x.